Yellow leaves are the most common and frustrating problem when growing lucky bamboo. It's really hard to figure out what's actually causing them. Check a few things first. Is your plant getting enough light? Since water does not contain nutrients, a lack of nutrients could also be the reason. And most importantly, are you using tap water with excessive minerals or hard water? Here's the solution. Trim the yellow leaves first. Move your plant to a brighter spot and use filtered, distilled, or rainwater. Replace the water within 2 weeks to keep it fresh and oxygen rich. Feed your lucky bamboo with a liquid bamboo fertilizer once a month for lush green foliage. A yellow stem at the bottom means the stem is dying. Unfortunately, it will never turn green again. Water levels that submerge too much of the green stem or stagnant old water can cause bacterial and fungal rot, making the base soft and yellow. Here is the solution. Cut the healthy green part above the yellow section using a clean sharp blade or pruning shears. Place the healthy cutting in fresh filtered water and it will develop new roots within a few weeks. If the entire stem has turned yellow, it cannot be saved. I have already made a video about this problem and explained exactly how to save a lucky bamboo plant from bottom yellowing. Brown leaf tips usually happen because of chemicals or excessive minerals in tap water, or sometimes because of low humidity. Direct hot or cold air blowing on the leaves can also turn the edges brown. Solution: first, trim the brown edges by following the natural shape of the leaf for a neat appearance. Use only filtered, distilled, or rainwater. Change the water every 10 to 14 days. Rinse the roots and container regularly. And keep the plant away from direct afternoon sunlight. Also, place it where it won't receive direct hot or cold airflow. If the stem becomes soft, mushy, black, or starts smelling bad, bacteria have already started rotting it. Here is the solution. Remove the rotten stem immediately and discard it before the infection spreads to the healthy stems. Wash the vase thoroughly. Refill it with fresh filtered water and make sure only the roots stay underwater. Keeping too much of the stem submerged increase the risk of rot. Also, keep the plant in a well-ventilated place to reduce fungal problems. Green water or slimy algae steal oxygen from the roots and can weaken the plant over time. This usually happens in transparent vases when direct sunlight hits the water. Here's the solution. Clean the vase completely every week. Wash the pebbles and roots. Replace the water and use an opaque vase or simply keep the container away from direct sunlight to prevent algae from growing. If you have any questions about lucky bamboo problems, let me know in the comments.